Hi students, I hope all are safe and fine. Today we are going to discuss one of the important topic from our nursing, that is mechanism of urine formation. Before going to discuss about mechanism of urine formation is one of the important physiological activity of urinary system, and nephron is the structural and functional unit of kidney, and in the same way urinary system. So nephron has a different nephron is a structure that which contains many parts, that is glomerular, Bowman's capsule, and efferent connection, distal convoluted, proximal convoluted tubule, ascending tubule, descending tubule. Among this, the important is glomerular. So the glomerular plays an important role in filtration of the water and blood to excrete the waste products from the body. How we are going to discuss one by one now. Before going to discuss, urine formation is one of the important physiological activity to cleanse the body. So which is unwanted substance which is present in our body in blood and water, this kidney excretes that unwanted products from our body. So normally daily 1300 ml of blood is purified in the kidney, and in the same way every water what we have taken is also filtered by the kidney. So, and daily the normal output of urine in a healthy adult is 1 liter to 1.5 liter per day. So, if you see the mechanism of urine formation, the mechanism of urine formation is categorized into 3 steps. Mainly the process is 3 steps, that is glomerular filtration, tubular reabsorption, and tubular secretion. In glomerular filtration, what happens is nephron contains a glomerular structure that is having glomerular capillaries. When blood is flowing through this glomerular capillaries, what happens? The blood contains a special thing, the special substance called plasma. The plasma is get filtered in the glomerular capillaries, and the substance which is coming from the glomerular capillaries entered into Bowman's capsule. So the plasma is filtered and settled in the Bowman's capsule. This is called glomerular filtration. And the next one is tubular reabsorption. In tubular reabsorption, what happens is the substance, the filtrate which is secreted in the glomerular capillaries settle down in the Bowman's capsule, and it passes through the tube of the nephron. There what happens? There tremendous changes takes place in the fluid which is collected by the glomerular capillaries. That is both quality and quantity changes. What is the changes is the substance which is coming from the glomerular capillaries contains electrolytes, glucose, amino acids, and all the important substance which is important for the body. In this tubular reabsorption, what happens? The filtrate gets again filtered, and the useful substance, that wanted substance, is again supplied to other parts of the body through the blood. This is called tubular reabsorption. And the last step is tubular secretion. So after taking the wanted particles by the special function, that is tubular reabsorption, the remaining unwanted particle substance is excreted through the tube, and from the tube the urine is passed outside from the body. This is the way of urine formation which takes place in the body. In this we have discussed about mechanism of urine formation. In mechanism of urine formation we have discussed it is a normal physiological activity of the urinary system. Daily 1300 ml of blood including water is filtered in the kidney, and in the same way daily normal adult passes 1 liter to 1.5 ml liter per day, and the mechanism of urine formation takes place in 3 steps, that is glomerular filtration, tubular reabsorption, and tubular secretion. Thus urine is formed and excreted outside the body in this way. So I hope all of you are understand. Thank you. Take care. Be safe.